Welcome friends, I am Hasmukh Prajapati and I welcome you in this new recording of the custom range breakout trading strategy. It is similar to the range breakout strategy, but in this strategy you can customize time frame. Let's suppose you wanted to use 5-minute range breakout. So in that you will return as a 920. But if you want in that strategy कि 920 to 925, then that is not possible in that, because वो सुबह से लेके शाम तक का लेता था. सुबह से लेके जिस टाइम का आप लेते थे वो टाइम रेंज ब्रेकआउट ले रहा था. But in this strategy what is gonna happen is from and to time can be taken. So let's look how it is functioning and what is the features. So very cost effective, very fast, no ME broker, no data, no complex stuff. Very easy to use. Custom time range breakout strategy. In this range breakout strategy you need to define entry and exit time, like from and to time. So time range, entry, exit you need to define. So from time to time. All segment can be traded like option, it will work like fantastic, and NSE, BSE, cash, future, option, all segment can be done. Custom time range breakout strategy. In custom time range breakout strategy, you need to define time as an input variable. So once you feed that, automatically exit will be based on this parameter, which is stop loss, target, and risk based. So quantity can be defined as per the calculation. No need to worry once you enter into the trade, because automatically target and stop loss will be taken care by the system. So very powerful system. Custom high and low will be calculated by the custom range breakout. You can utilize this basis on percentage. Target and stop loss will be calculating. Stop loss based quantity and fixed quantity can be placed with this. So this is very powerful strategy. Okay, helpful to each and every retail trader, because it will help you to make your task easy, super easy, mind expansion, and customize at your own. Right now, don't trade with your emotion. It is automatically going to trade as per the calculations and all. Very fast order execution. And if you are having any doubt, any question, any concern, you can always connect with us. So thank you very much. My support team will get connected with you in case you want any support. You can always connect with our support team. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Now we are gonna look at the practical aspect of those video under the next video. So thank you.